Okay, good day guys. Today I'll be introducing the new accessories to PioLED. We call them the fast connectors. Firstly, we'll start with the big size. So we have a 10mm connector with a standard tail on them. And secondly, we'll have a straight joiner as well as a L connector. Simple way of using them, you just open the two ends. You always hold the connector in the down position with the flap open down. The strip will go in and you just click. So if you're doing another side, you just go straight into the strip and just click. Same principle if you're using the L connector. Just push the strip in straight. You just have to just open the strip quickly and that's it. It'll give you an L shape. And also bringing the 3-wire, you get your normal connector with a standard tail and a straight to end-to-end connector, but this will only work for the matrix range that we have. And then lastly, with the 8mm connectors, this will work on your 4.8, 9.6 as well as our 24-volt cob. It will be a standard connector with a standard tail. We'll have an end-to-end connector. As you can see, the cob fits right flush each other, so there's no dots in the middle. As well as the L connector. Just one thing to point out, the L connector can go right through, even though the minus is missing the copper points. If it pierces the strip just on the cob, it will still light up. I'll show you an example now. And put the covers. And the most important part of everything, all these connectors fits in our standard slim profile. We have the 8mm, the 10mm, the 8mm connector, as well as the 10mm with the cable.